Welcome to Box Break number 26. And this time we have a double box with a Black Bolt Deluxe and a Black Bolt Ordinary. So let's open it and let's see what's going on with these boxes. Can't wait for the English versions of this. I think there are only 4 packs here. Let's go. Wow. 4 packs. Very, very thick packs. For those who want the boxes, let me know, or I'm going to throw them away. Just don't have enough space for this. Let's open this. So let's see. If you have any comments or suggestions, let us know. 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 6, 9, 11. 3, 6, 9. So there's 20. Let's do it by 5s as always. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. 4, 5. Okay, and we do this. I think we do this by 2s. Or 1 at a time. Let's see. How do we go about it? 1, 1. I really don't know how to go about it. Let's do it. Tick. Mhm. That's a beautiful card. Let's just put it on the side. These are all Pokeballs. EX. And an SR. Wow. So there's none at the back. We have two beautiful cards. Hexadrill and three of this. I don't know what you call this. Let's see if there's an equivalent. Let's do it like this. So for our one pack a day, we're almost halfway there, halfway through at day 180, and this is box break number 26. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys more. Similar card. Wow. Double hit. Let's see. Here. The Ruma. Okay. Second Deluxe with 35 cards. Oh, and this is only 5 cards. 35, 140, 280. Wow, there are 280 cards. One forty cards. 140 cards. In a deluxe box, 5 times 20. 7 times 20 is also 140. So it's the same, but the deluxe box appear to have one more hit so far. Wow, the monkey. EX and another EX. Okay, second batch for the regular pack. 36 to 70. Here we go. Whew. Why? I love the monochrome, but that's good enough. Wow. That's a beautiful card. Interesting. The odds changes. So far, this is one of the ones that I really like. Look at that card. Number 3. Can I rip it? Oh, I can rip it. Nice. Master Ball. Is the Master Ball any value? Second to the last for the regular packs. Did we miss a Master Ball? No, it's just the reverse shallow. It's been a modest pool so far, but we're happy with it. What do you guys think? Have you pulled better or have you pulled worse? Where do you rank this among the pulls you've seen or you've done? There we go. It's looking a lot like Christmas. Christmas is so far away. Well, not that far away. Okay, the last pack magic. Can you still consider it last pack magic? We'll see. Mhm. Hope that's good. So many duplicates. If you want any card from the bulk, let us know. We'll be glad to share it with you. So many duplicate cards. Wow, finally you are here. And that's it for the deluxe box. Now we're waiting for the final hits of the regular box. Then we'll distribute it accordingly. Ah, whew. Is there still a chance? I think there's still a master ball in this. Mm-hmm. It's almost the same cards. Last pack magic. Master ball. That's it. Thank you guys for bearing with us. Let's see, let's compare what we got from each box. Each is a guaranteed master ball. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 AR and a master ball. 1, 2, 3, 4 AR and a master ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5EX. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5EX. And an SR. This is nice. Okay. So basically for hits, it's the same whether you get a deluxe box or a regular box. So it has the same contents. It's just easier to open the deluxe box because it's all there. One opening. For the ordinary box, if you're opening it individually, it will be more exciting if that's your thrill. So that's it. But basically, they contain the same odds. So does not really matter if you're just looking for the hits. So thank you guys for watching box break number 25 at 26. I'll see you in July for our box break number 27. But tomorrow, watch us in our TikTok or Facebook channel, the Lazy Collectors channel at Lounging Out for our box break for our one pack a day. It's already day 181. We're doing one pack of Pokemon and one pack of One Piece every day to see how many hits we get from each series. So, thank you guys. I'll see you again next week.